Here are a few of my hot peppers in time for harvest. Now let's get into the before stage. Coming up. First, let me start off by showing you all what I use to start my pepper pots, or planters as you would call them. I use the organic potting mix, and I use some Job's organic vegetable and tomato fertilizer. You can get these products from your local gardening center, or you can probably get them online at Amazon, depending on your location across the nation. But they definitely made a difference in how my hot peppers turned out this fall harvest. Next, as you can see, I already have prepped my soil with the organic potting mix soil, and now I'm adding some vegetable and tomato fertilizer. I have about 4 or 5 different types of hot peppers. This year I wanted to do something different, so as you can see, I am just going to be filling out each hole with a few of the vegetable and tomato fertilizer, so I can mix it in with the organic mix soil, and then put the different types of peppers that I'm going to be assembling in the planter, and just going to see what's going to happen, as harvest comes, and see how each pepper plant performs in the planter. I'm going to let you all just watch me how I start to prep the soil and assemble each one of the pepper planters and transplants into the pepper plants. Keep enjoying and watching the video, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Let me know your comments down below. What type of peppers have you been growing this season? And right now we are coming into the harvest season here, especially here on the Zone 7B on the northern East Coast. So let me know how you all did this season, what type of peppers you grown, and any other tips you like to give me, or maybe you can take some of my beginner tips, because it's not really that hard to grow pepper plants. I think it's one of the easiest plants. It depends on if you like hot peppers or some type of mild pepper plant. But definitely, if you have still some time within your garden season, get you a few plants. If not, maybe try them next season. Enjoy the video. Of course, we have some Thai peppers, Thai hot peppers to be exact. The third plant that I am preparing the soil for is the jalapeno pepper plants, which did very well this season. So those came out really great. The other ones, the Thai pepper plant, not so well, but we'll try again next year. But the jalapeno plants took off amazing for this harvest. Well, I hope this video was helpful for you guys, and you can use some of my tips to start a small little space, maybe some peppers in your either your balcony or in your garden area, or any place where you can get some sun, at least, like I always say, between 4 to 6 hours. Have some great soil mix and some great vegetable food fertilizer, and you should be as successful as well when it comes to planting some peppers. Like I said, they're one of the easiest veggies and or plants, to start off in your garden. And if you can't do it this year, definitely maybe for the next season you can look into the pepper plant. Excuse me. Also, don't forget you all to check out my video at the top, my fall gardening tour 2021. I definitely go into depth of all the veggies that I grew in my garden this year. And like I said, don't forget to come and say hello to me on my IG at Emergegarden Estate. And once again, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel. I hope you all have a great weekend. Take care. Bye.